once again to a Sandwich Saturday. Today we're doing potato. We've got potato, Indian spices, lots of chili in it, of course some cheese, delicious. Okay, let's take a look at what we've got here. So potato, I've got one potato, large potato. I peeled it, I boiled it, it's really nice and soft, cut really small. Small onion, quite a lot of fresh chili, a couple of teaspoons of a curry powder, little teaspoon each of garlic paste and ginger paste. Here we've got some cilantro or fresh coriander. Let's get to the cooker, get this together, just take about 4 minutes. Okay, so I've got a little pan here, touch of oil. I'm using a sunflower oil. We're going to put all this in right now and get it done. It's very quick. So in goes the onion, cut nice and small. The potato that's been cooked, boiled, and is quite soft, and we want to kind of get it a bit more mashed as well as it cooks. We're going to get that garlic and ginger paste in there, like a teaspoon each. All of that fresh chili, which is quite a lot. You might want to adjust that a little bit. Now again, I'm not going to be adding any salt to this. I always find the cheese that we use is salty enough. If you want, you could put some salt in here. Let's add that little bit of curry powder. Let's get the cilantro in, or coriander, whatever you call that. And on this above medium heat, let's just go for about another 3 more minutes. Keep it moving. So there you go, there's our potato mixture, which looks fabulous. What we're going to do now is add a bit of cheese. I've got some grated cheddar cheese here, which is quite sharp. You could use something different if you want. Get your spoon in there, give that a good mix. So there you go, you've got a lovely mixture there. We're ready to get this on our bread. Okay, there's our bread. We're going to make 2 sandwiches. As you can see, I've put a thin layer of butter on one side. That's actually going to be the outside, so let's flip these over. And on 2 of them, we're going to put our potato and our lovely cheese mix. So here we go, nice loaded piece of bread. Let's just roughly smooth it out. Plenty of chili there. You might want to reduce the chili. As you may know at the channel, we really love it. So that's it, get the grill on, or your press sandwich maker. Let's grab this bread, butter up, let's go. Couldn't be easier, could it really? On they go. I've got my grill on high, I like it on high. Close it, be back in about 3 to 5 minutes. You can kind of eyeball it depending on what type of sandwich maker you have. Okay, time to jump in, let's have a look. Wow, wee wah. Just super amazing. Let's get those on a plate, cut them open. Okay, number 1, number 2, hot, golden, beautiful. They're gonna be really spicy. Okay, let's get a knife on these guys. Lovely and crispy. Super hot. Look at that lovely potato in there. Absolutely wonderful. Let me have the pleasure in giving that a bite. That's really crispy. Oh, the chili's just come through. Delicious. See you later.